So today, as we all know, we have scarcity of alcohol, so I'm going to teach you how to make your own DIY hand sanitizer, and also it can be used as disinfectant for anything that you want to disinfect at home. So we only need 9 parts of water and 1 part Sunrox. So the ratio is 1:9. So I already put 8 parts water here. I'm just gonna put the last one. This is the 9th cup. And 1 part bleach, or here in the Philippines we have Sunrox. So no, Sunrox or bleach is 99.9 antibacteria, kills disease causing germs and viruses. There you go. 1 part bleach. If you also want your mixture to smell good, you can also add fabric conditioner or Downy, as what we have here in the Philippines. Now we're not going to use it because we're just going to do the proper mixture, right? We're going to put it in the container and we're going to mix it first. Mix. And then we're going to put it in this empty spray container. So there you go, guys. We have our own DIY disinfectant. So easy to do. 1 part bleach, 9 part water. There you go. Disinfected. Peace. Bye.
Wow!